Samsung will unveil its new Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. This is anticipated to be a premium flagship foldable. It will feature a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with addition of an octa-core CPU. It features a foldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X touchscreen display with an 8 inches main folding screen and a 6.5 inches covered display, both supporting 120Hz refresh rate. Fingerprint will be side mounted. Leak says it will be packed with a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging and featuring a massive 200 megapixel main camera and an upgraded 50 megapixel ultrawide sensor. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB and storage will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. It will run on Android 16 operating system. It is expected to be priced starting around $2,000 for base model. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.